one of my goals for 2017 was kind of to diversify my income and kind of create more side project that will also contribute to my income. And a couple of days ago, my partner sent me a cool link to a website called Indie Hackers, which kind of is a collection of side projects and small businesses that people made, how they made them, and how much money they make. And this really inspired me because I saw some people there that have kind of blogs with kind of the same traffic that I have on my YouTube, and they're making like a couple of $1,000s every month just from having kind of a recommendation page where they recommend stuff and the links are affiliated and they make money off of every sale. And I said to myself, hey, you guys are always asking me what gear am I using, what books am I reading, so I can really easily set up a kind of a recommendation page and perhaps make some extra money. And because I've built my portfolio website on Webflow, I can just publish this page as just another page on my website. This will take me like super fast to do, and it will already be published. So basically, I wasn't even planning on working today. This is kind of still Passover holiday here in Israel, and I wasn't planning on working, but Noah took me to the park for like a couple of hours. So I thought perhaps I could be super productive and try to set up this page, recommendation page, in just like a couple of hours. So I'm gonna try to be super fast with this, design this, and build it in Webflow super, super fast. Let's rock and roll. Right, so it's exactly 2 hours in. Let me share with you how this went down. So the breakdown is something like this. It took me about 30 minutes to get kind of the photos that I wanted to use as a header. Then it took me 30 minutes to kind of design this page in Sketch. It was pretty easy because I had kind of all the styles from my main website, so I just kind of copy paste and changed all the little things that I had to do. Then it took me 30 minutes to build this page in Webflow, and then another 30 minutes to put in the recommendations. And actually putting in the recommendation and writing them, that's what takes the most. And I only spent 30 minutes on this because I'm limited on time. So I only got a little bit of recommendation, but I hope that by the time that you'll watch this, I'll have a little bit more time to put in some more recommendation. So let me show you how it's turned out. So basically, this is the page right now. It's divided into design and vlogging gear. As you see, I don't have all of my stuff here, but just the basic stuff. And then I have recommended reading. Also, I have many more things to put here, but this is what I put so far. Obviously, this page is responsive and it looks pretty good on mobile as well, so this works. And again, it was so easy to do this on Webflow because everything is already set up. I already have all of my stuff, and it's just easy as opening a new website, a new page on my website. Now, I was kind of debating for a second whether I should use the CMS for this or no, but I just came to the conclusion that because my website is hosted on Webflow, it will be so much easier to just go in the editor and just copy paste stuff and move and just type it in there. For me, it's more comfortable than even working with the CMS. And the way that I did this is, you can't see it right now, but here I have some kind of an embed element for the image. So I put here the code. So when I come to Amazon to make a recommendation, I have here a specific link for the image. So I don't even have to download it or whatever. I just copy paste this embed link, put it in Webflow, and then when I publish the website, it already has the image here, already has the link. So all I have to do is kind of, copy paste here and write the recommendation. As I said, it was pretty easy to make this responsive and look pretty good on mobile as well. So, my mantra is kind of like better done than perfect. So it was 2 hour project, and I don't know if this will bring in like a couple of thousands of dollars or even hundreds of dollars every month, but even if it doesn't, or it starts off little and it grows as my audience grows, I think this is just another small step into, you know, creating another stream of income, and that's also good. And I was able to do this because I'm using those tools. I was able to do this with like 2 hours of effort. So I think this is good. Obviously, like everything I do, this is just the first version, so I hope I'll put more recommendations into there. Also, I want to do software recommendation, ideas for a bunch of other stuff, but I really want to stay effective today. It's already noon, so I want to make lunch for my family and spend time with them. As I said before, this is the holiday, so I feel it's been pretty effective and productive. And I hope you guys will enjoy the recommendations, because everybody's been asking me about this stuff, and I really love sharing, you know, the books that I read with you guys and my insights. So I hope this will be a great platform to do this. So tomorrow is also a holiday, so probably I won't be vlogging, but I'll catch you later on this week. Hope you guys have a great day. Catch you next time. Which kind of blogs, this is kind of to get kind of the kind of just kind of all the kind of couple do is kind of